Secret formula to start and grow your online business. Yes, you heard it right. This is the first step that you need to take to start and grow your online business. Keep on watching this whole video to know more about it. But before that, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nida Firdaus. So now you might be wondering, what exactly is the secret formula? Do you really have one or no, right? So hold on, I'm going to talk about this throughout this video. So make sure you watch this video completely to understand it properly. So I'm going to talk about from a very business point of view, guys, in this whole video. So make sure you don't miss it. Okay, watch it till the end. Okay, so this secret formula basically holds 4 questions, okay, that you need to ask yourself before you start and grow your online business. Okay, so the first question will always be, who exactly is your dream client or customer? It can be for any business, okay, you're freelancing, a side hustle business, anything. So first question what you need to ask yourself is, who is your dream client or customer? Now this is very important. Let's take example, okay. Think from a very business point of view. To start and grow any business, what you need to do initially is you need to have a proper goal setting and a proper business plan. Now that reminds me that I do have a video on how do you draft your business plan, where you will find it over here in the I button. So make sure you watch that if you haven't draft your business plan yet. So it will basically help you. Okay, so the first thing is like having your goal setting and your business plan ready. And once you are done with that, second thing is like understanding who exactly will be your dream client or customer according to your business. Okay, for example, let's say I run a preschool where I train small kids. Okay, now my target audience will not be the kids, they will be the parents, because they are going to pay me. So now I know who exactly is my dream client. Now what do I figure out is the second question, what I'm going to tell you later. So this way you need to understand who exactly is your dream client or customer according to your business. Okay, because this is the most important question, guys, because unless you are not clear with this question, then you are not going to understand the whole process of it. So make sure you jot down this question and ask yourself, do some research. Okay, I also understand that it will it's not like you just wrote it down and you will understand. Okay, make sure you jot down this question, you do proper market research and understand who exactly is your dream client and customer, who exactly you want to like serve, etc. Okay, so make sure you answer this question. Now moving on to the next one. Second question is like, once you understand who is your dream client or customer, second question will be, where will you find this dream client or customer? Now here by this I mean that which is the social media platform or forum where your target audience or your dream client or customers are mostly hanging out. Okay, in my case, what example I took, I know that my dream clients or customers are the parents. So if it is parents, and they are most likely to hang out on LinkedIn and Instagram, etc., and then YouTube, all these things. So I need to be present there. I need to be present where my target audience are present and try to have my online presence there so that I can attract them through my content. So this is the whole strategy. So make sure you also jot down this question and take and like do some research and come up with the things like, where exactly is your target audience present, which social media platforms they are present, I mean to say that. Okay, moving on to the third question. Once you're clear with who is your dream client and where will you find them, now the third important question will be, what lead magnet or clickbait will you use to attract that dream client or customer, okay, to your profile. Now here you can use the lead magnet as ebook, free training, workshop, webinar, checklist, etc. But remember one thing, whatever you're using, this is definitely for sure for free, but always remember that it should be valuable, guys, because this is your first impression in front of your a dream client or customer. If this is of value, then they are definitely going to contact you and they will definitely become your dream client or customer. But if you are too lazy and you're just like it's just a lead magnet or webinar that we just created randomly, don't make that mistake, because this should be valuable. You should know what exactly your dream client will like and are they looking for. If you understand this part, which seems to be very silly or very simple, understand that this is the most important part, because if you understand this part, that what exactly your dream client is looking for and what exactly is their problem, then it becomes much easier for you, to attract them. So make sure you come up with a lead magnet which is really, like clickbait, and that is their pain point, and that is the problem, and it is of value, so much value. Because if it is not valuable, then you are gonna lose your dream client or customer. So make sure you jot this question as well and write it down. Now the last question is, what result do you want to give them? This is the last but most important question that you need to ask yourself. Remember guys, the business is not about product or service. Business is all about what result will you give it to your client. For example, in my case, I'm a sales funnel builder. I know my target audience are coaches and online business owners, and I am pretty much clear that they are hanging out on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook group, etc. And I also know that I'm also clear with the kind of results that I wanna like give it to them. It is like I am clear that I wanna like get clients and sales for them. How? Through my sales funnel and advertising strategy. So I am pretty much clear with what I am doing and what I want to give my client as a result. So make sure you also jot down these questions and understand properly who exactly are they, where are they hanging out, what lead magnet can be used to attract them, and lastly, what result do you want to give them. If you are clear with all these 4 questions, then trust me, you are gonna kill it. Okay, trust me, seriously, you're gonna kill it. Because when I started my career, I had few understandings about all these things, but I wasn't clear, because I used to like sit and think like, what exactly am I doing, what exactly am I really good at, etc. So I found out these questions and I jotted down and I figured out all these questions, and then honestly, trust me, I got a lot of clarity. Trust me. So make sure guys, if you are also on a fence, to start an online business, a freelancing or any side hustle business, make sure you jot down this question and write it down, everything, and kill it. That's it. So these were the 4 questions that you need to be clear on before you start and grow your online business. I hope that you found this video valuable. So if yes, then do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that motivates me to come up with more such amazing videos in future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.